আগরতলায় সুকান্ত একাডেমির অডিটোরিয়ামে রক্তদান শিবিরের আয়োজনে অংশগ্রহণ করেছেন রাজ্যপাল এবং এই আয়োজনের তিনি ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করেছেন। রাজ্যপালের উপস্থিতিতে সেখানে অ্যাসোসিয়েশন অফ সার্ভিস ইঞ্জিনিয়ার্স অফ ত্রিপুরার আয়োজন ছিল এবং সেই আয়োজনে অংশগ্রহণ করেছেন রাজ্যপাল। মূলত রাজ্যের ইঞ্জিনিয়ারদের এই সংগঠনের উদ্যোগে রক্তদান শিবির করা হয়েছিল বার্ষিক সাধারণ সভাকে কেন্দ্র করে। রাজ্যপাল গোটা আয়োজনের ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করেন। বিভিন্ন স্তরের প্রতিনিধিরা উপস্থিত ছিলেন। আইইআই চেয়ারম্যান সহ অন্যান্যদের উপস্থিতিতে এই কর্মসূচি থেকে রাজ্যের ইঞ্জিনিয়ারদের উদ্দেশ্যে যেমন বার্তা দিয়েছেন, ঠিক তেমনি গোটা আয়োজনে ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করার পাশাপাশি অঙ্গদান এবং রক্তদান শিবিরের ক্ষেত্রে যেসব রক্ত গ্রুপ কম রয়েছে বা বিরল বলা যেতে পারে, তাদের জন্য একটি তালিকা তৈরি করে যেন ইঞ্জিনিয়াররা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভূমিকা পালন করেন, সেই কথাগুলোই বলছিলেন বক্তব্য রাখতে গিয়ে রাজ্যপাল। আমরা রাজ্যপালের বক্তব্যের অংশবিশেষ শুনব।
Suffering from blood disorders. Blood transfusion can significantly reduce mortality rates, particularly in cases of material and child health. Blood donation fosters a sense of community service and social responsibility. Blood donation contributes to medical research, helping scientists to develop new treatments and therapies. The blood donation process involves a fresh medical checkup, which can help donors identify potential health issues early on. To the service engineers community, I extend my deepest gratitude for your remarkable contributions to this cause. Your dedication, expertise, and commitment to public service are inspiration to us all. Let us continue to work together to promote blood donation and ensure that our state and country have a safe and adequate blood supply. Let us recognize the inherent value and dignity of every human life and strive to make a positive impact on the blood on the world around us. I have myself donated blood number of times. I have also donated my agreement that I donated. And last few months back, MBB University people they invited such type of program where the students are giving blood donation. At that time I offered again, but because of my age at 75, they refused to take. Otherwise, I am ready to give even now. The second thing, when there is a surplus thing, those we give, donate to others. In the same way, certain items which is not useful for us, that also we give it to others. At least it will be useful for others. In the same way, this organ donation also getting importance day by day, and in our country organ donors are coming day by day more and more, particularly when there is some accident or some disease, by that if the person becomes brain dead, then his organs, some of these his organs are useful for others also. So like that, now organ donation list, it is also getting familiar. We have to think, we have to propagate wherever it is necessary. And in the same way, you have taken a good program on your annual conference. Generally, annual conference, your problems you will discuss and go. But you have taken a good program of donating blood here. In this occasion, last time also when your representative came, I told the same thing, that we have to prepare a catalog, donors list. If we prepare a donors list and give it, then whenever there is a rare blood groups, A minus, B minus, B, A negative and B negative like that, or AB negative, then the doctors and the blood banks, they search severely. So in that occasion, you can offer your this thing, online list, if you are there, if it is there, it is useful for necessary people. I am deeply honored to be addressing this gathering of selfless individuals who have come forward to donate blood, a precious gift that saves countless lives. Today we recognize and celebrate the contributions of the service engineers community, who have demonstrated exceptional commitment to this humanitarian cause on the occasion of 11th Annual General Body Conference. As we gathered here, I am reminded of the profound impact that blood donation has on individuals, families, and communities. Blood is essence of life, and its scarcity can have devastating consequences. Yet, thanks to the generosity of donors like you, countless patients receive the life-saving transfusion they need. The engineers community has shown remarkable enthusiasm and dedication to blood donations. Your efforts are a shining example of the power of collective action and the impact that individuals can have when they come together for a noble cause. I am proud to acknowledge the state's progress in promoting blood donation and ensuring a safe and adequate blood supply. However, we recognize that there is still much work to be done. This is why your contributions are so vital. Blood donation is not just an act of charity. It is also an affirmation of our shared humanity. When we donate blood, we are not just giving a part of ourselves, we are also acknowledging the inherent value and dignity of every human life. Blood donation has numerous benefits, not just for the recipients, but also for the donors themselves. The blood which we are giving, it is not a surplus blood or anything. If we give blood, again we can generate within ourselves. It is just like a well. If we take water, then again the water comes in the well. So in that way, if we donate blood, then
আপনারা শুনলেন সেই আয়োজনে রাজ্যপালের বক্তব্য এবং তিনি রক্তদান শিবিরের আয়োজনকে ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করার পাশাপাশি পরামর্শ দিয়েছেন। আপনারা সঙ্গে থাকুন, দেখতে থাকুন PB24।